What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube. Today we're learning how to play Giant by Calvin Harris and Rag & Bone Man. Before we jump into the video, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and make sure you hit the little notification bell next to it, that way you never miss a new tutorial. Also, I'm really excited to finally announce that I'm officially doing the first round of giveaways that I'm doing for the channel. I'm going to be doing monthly drawings for different guitar-related prizes and accessories and merchandise, and then I'm going to do one grand prize drawing for someone who's going to win a free brand new acoustic guitar. So stick around to the end of the video. It's very simple to enter. I'll get into all the details there. Any of you guys can enter to win any of the prizes. We'll get into all that at the end of the video, so stick around for that. But for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Okay guys, this is a really fun song to play, especially for some of you beginners who need more practice switching through some chords and kind of changing it up, doing something different. You're in standard tuning. Your first chord is going to be an open A chord, which is just going to be your middle finger on your second fret on your D string and your ring finger on your second fret on your G string. Second chord is a G sharp minor, which is going to be you're barring the entire fourth fret with your index finger, which just means you're holding down all of the strings, pressing all of them down. It's going to be really hard for you at first if you're a beginner and don't really know bar chords well, but it's one of those things where you just practice, practice, practice. You'll build your hand strength up. You will be able to get it. So you're barring the entire fourth fret. You're putting your ring finger on the 6th fret on your A string and your pinky finger on the 6th fret on your D string. Your next chord, you're using that exact same formation. You're just moving it down to the 2nd fret with your index finger. So you're barring that entire 2nd fret. Ring finger 4th fret A string, pinky finger 4th fret D string. It's your F sharp minor. Your next chord is your 2nd fret on your A string with your index finger, 4th fret, ring finger, D string, 4th fret, pinky finger, G string. And this is one that you can just play open. Next chord, move that exact same formation down 2 frets, where your index finger's on the 4th fret on your A string, your ring finger's on the 6th fret on your D string, and your pinky finger's on the 6th fret on your G string. You can play all those open as well. Now those are all the chords you're using except your very last chord, which is that same formation. You're just moving it up to your 7th fret, which is your index finger 7th fret on your A string, your ring finger 9th fret D string, pinky finger 9th fret G string. And you can play all those open as well. So as far as the chords you're using, we're here, 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 up here, and then finally we're here. So for the strumming pattern for this song, you're using a down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. I'm going to play that through with the chords very slowly so you can see what it looks like. Starting with your A chord, down, down, up, down, down. That's a quick switch. Down, down, up, down, 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 up. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. So starting again. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. I'm going to do that one more time so you guys can really see it, really get it down. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. Now that's played through one time, and then you do the same exact thing the second time, except instead of coming back down to your B chord here from the C minor, from the C sharp minor you're going down to a B sharp major. Instead of doing that on your first time, you're going up to that final chord that's up here. So I'll play that for you. It looks like this. down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. As opposed to coming down here, you're strumming the exact same way, you're just coming up here to your E chord. So I'll slowly strum through the entire thing, and this thing just loops throughout the entire song. So once you get this down, you can play the entire song. So here it is from the top very slowly. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Now I'm going to jump straight into the giveaway stuff. Again, to reiterate, I'm starting the official giveaways that I'm doing for this channel, with the grand prize being a brand new acoustic guitar, with secondary prizes being a guitar accessories kit. And then also I'm going to be giving away some merchandise as well. I'm starting to roll some of that out here soon. Shirts, hats, all that kind of stuff. Those will be parts of the giveaway as well. So to enter for the giveaway, there's only 4 simple steps that you need to do. Subscribe, turn on notifications, make sure you click thumbs up, like this video, and then leave a comment in the comment section below with a song that you would like me to teach you. So the way the giveaway is going to work is that each month I'm going to pick 2 winners, one for the guitar accessories bundle and one for the merch bundle, and then I'll pick the grand prize winner for the brand new acoustic guitar when the channel hits 50,000 subscribers. So the faster that we get to 50,000 subscribers, the faster we will get to the grand prize drawing. So make sure you enter. You're not going to want to miss out on any of these prizes. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. The link is here on the screen now. I'm always posting stories, behind the scenes stuff, pictures. It's a good way to get in contact with me. Don't forget about the free ebook that's in the description. It will always be free on the channel. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. There's a link down there for you guys, and make sure you go grab that. Enter the contest. I'm super excited to be doing this for you guys. We'll see you in the next video.